Let's be honest, manufacturing does not get simpler with time. More products, more variants, more exceptions, and somehow the same deadlines.
At HANNOVER MESSE, step into the factory of the future and see how critical manufacturing helps operations run and decisions happen in real time.
At our booth, we will showcase Critical Manufacturing Industrial Operations Platform, an execution-centered, AI-enabled foundation that unifies manufacturing execution, connectivity and operational intelligence into one coherent system.
So what do you get with a unified foundation? Work runs smoothly, insights come faster, and teams can act right away so that the factory keeps improving in real time.
Experience our Industrial Operations Platform live. MES is the foundation for execution you can trust and connectivity you control. With a built-in enterprise data platform, you'll be able to connect your factories and centralize intelligence, so you can leverage artificial intelligence for faster and accurate decisions. More than MES, you get execution and intelligence that drive performance.
Once you experience our More Than MES solution, you should continue your journey to our partners area. Athena, FrontWell, LTTS, Manufacture Next, and Regenesia will be ready to show you how this platform is implemented in our customers' shop floors worldwide. Together, we allow manufacturers to scale and get real value.
And yes, there is more. We will have Jeff Winter with us at the booth. In his dedicated area, Ask Jeff, he will be ready to meet and have great conversations.
Now that we have given you plenty of reasons to stop by, come and visit us at Hall 15, booth C14. Stay for a live demo and your coffee is on us.